Hello everyone, this is Sindhu Priya of Computer Science Department. I am a student of Geetham Bengaluru studying 3rd year. Today, I will be interacting with our final year student who is a job holder with 3 offer letters and he is working for DXC right now. He is Pranit Chella. He is a EC student and is being placed in DXC right now. So let us see his views towards a college and let us interact with him for a few minutes. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm good. So, how is your quarantine going on?
Boring.
The most unexpected holidays, right? You're not having fun?
Exactly. Unexpected actually. It ended without Achievers Day, Farewell Day, everything.
Okay. So, before being formal, let me congratulate you as you are a job holder with 3 of us and you're working for DXC. So, hearty congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Yeah, so you're working for DXC right now?
Yes, started working.
Okay, so how is your experience with DXC?
Yes, bit excited because it's a new environment, another world, like corporate world. So, looking forward to see how it will go.
Okay, so you being a EC student and you're working on DXC. So, how is your experience or how do you feel working with DXC?
I think in DXC there are different platforms based on electronics and communication department also, networking sector. So it comes under communications. So we have opportunities in DXC for EC students also.
Okay.
So and the platform which I have assigned was networks only.
Okay. So you're comfortable working with that?
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So we CSE students now we feel like programming, the hard nutshell. So you being EC student, how do you feel programming?
Programming, it's based on how our brain works at that particular situation, how to apply logics. So it's all about mathematics, right?
Yeah.
So who knows logical functions, how to apply? Anyone can do that, I think, with the proper training or that will to learn things. So they can learn.
Okay. So is there any memory with Geetham or with your friends, anything that happened in this 4 years that you would like to share with us?
Memories in Geetham equals to friends. When you will talk about memories in Geetham, the first thing which I got in mind, FRIENDS, friends. That's it.
So even before graduating, right, you have your offer letters in your hand. So how do you feel about that? Even before graduating, you're having offer letters. So how is your feeling?
Happy, proud. I think getting good marks in academics will help me in getting placed in any company. But the scenario was opposite. Everyone tell, yeah, you got such a good GPA. Why can't you try in another big company? It went like that.
So you are telling like you were rejected by most of the companies. Then how did you feel at that point?
While being rejected by the first company, which I got, which I attended, that too my electronics company. Electronic department company, I got rejected in the final round.
Okay.
After finishing the first round, second round, I got rejected in the final round. At that time, they told that you got a very good CGPA, go and try in another company. You are not fit for this role. I thought someone was struggling to get a job and you are going to reject me based on this criteria. I got little depressed. I can't tell it is depressed. I felt sad. And later, I got rejected from more than 20 plus companies. It's not a big deal. 20 plus companies.
So after the 20 plus companies, when you got placed, so how did you feel that time? How was your campus life at Geetham?
Campus life. Morning 9 or 8:30. 8:30 to 4:30 up to 7th semester, and in 8th semester we had holidays for project work and everything. So time went like that, like a flowing river. We don't know what's happening at that time. Evening, we planned many things to prepare for placements, to prepare for academics, to prepare for some other extracurricular activities. But all we did was being in a single room with more than 6 to 7 friends, with one single computer and a home theater, watching Netflix continuously. Even we skipped our dinner to watch movies. So I can say that as a memory when I remember the word Geetam.
So soon you'll have no connection with Geetam, like you are an ex-Geetamite.
Yeah, already the connection got.
So it's
Our
done.
final semester got completed, our results
You
are
got
out.
your results, yeah.
Exactly, and we don't know when we are going to get back to our college to see how to say bye.
Yeah.
To say bye. At least we didn't give proper send off
Goodbye.
to our friends. We don't know when that time will come.
So might be you'll be having your farewell, your Achievers Day if this Corona is not having, but now you even lost that opportunity.
Exactly. Our juniors planned everything. But we don't know what.
You can't, yeah. So what is the one thing you'll miss from Geetam?
Friends.
Your
Like,
hangouts, your friends.
We spent 4 years. Like that too, we had a small gang of 5 to 6. We used it to chill out. So we'll miss those things. Mainly that single room, single laptop, home theater, and watching movies. That's it.
So is there anything that you wanted to tell to your juniors to follow in their life or for the placements, anything?
For placements, like they will give training, right? But the point is, you know the thing, and the friend who is sitting beside you don't know that particular topic. Then you have to listen if you know that. Even you know that, you have to listen. She had to listen because she don't know anything about the topic. But you know the topic and you have to listen. What I want to tell you is, stop listening to the thing which you already know a couple of times. If you already know that, become a master in the topic. If you don't know, just go and listen. Learn. If you already know that, never ever attend a topic which you already know. Don't waste your time there. And don't ever follow others. That's the one thing. Because if someone is getting placed and you feel why he got placed and why, never ever think that if your time comes, you will get placed. Just keep learning. That's it. Never ever follow others.
That was truly wonderful. Okay, it was nice speaking to you. Fabulous time with you. Yeah, have a great life with the same ups and downs you'll be having, but hope for the best. Congratulating you on your success. Thanks for your time.
Thank you.